What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. And today we are talking about how to make money on TikTok. Let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to make money on TikTok. All right, so there are 5 different ways to make money on TikTok. And I'm going to go into detail on all of them. But first, if you want to learn how to start a business online using your talent and skills, check out the wealthbuildersystem.com. The link is in the description. All right, so with that being said, the top 5 ways to make money on TikTok, right? How do you make money on TikTok? Number 1, partner with a brand you trust. Number 2, partner with an influencer. Number 3, use TikTok to advertise your products. Number 4, market affiliate products. And number 5, apply to the TikTok's Creator Fund. Now let's break down each way to get paid using TikTok, right? Number 1, partner with the brand you trust. When it comes to being an influencer, having a brand that you can partner with can easily make you money by them paying for posts from you to deliver to your audience. The thing is, you need to have a sizable audience first. At least 5 to 10,000 people following you to make it worth the brand's effort and money, in my opinion. All right. Remember, a lot of these tips can be used on multiple platforms. So you can use these tips on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But we're talking about TikTok first. Number 2, partner with an influencer. If you're looking to grow your TikTok fast, you can actually pay someone who has a similar channel to promote your TikTok to their TikTok followers, almost the same way you would on an IG account. If you have a brand or product, then you can easily pay an influencer to market your product to their audience on TikTok and obviously get a return on investment. Number 3, use TikTok to advertise your products. Okay, instead of paying an influencer, you can easily pay TikTok directly, just like you can pay Facebook, Google, YouTube, and any other platform that has ads on it to promote your business. It's extremely easy. Just sign up for a TikTok account and set up your ads. Number 4, market affiliate products. You can easily post TikToks and grow your audience and find creative ways to promote the link in your bio and to whatever product you're affiliated with and make your commission when the company makes a sale, right? And number 5, apply to TikTok's Creator Fund. To earn money directly from TikTok, users must be 18 years or older, meet a baseline of 10,000 followers, and have accrued at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Once they reach that threshold, they can apply for the TikTok's Creator Fund through the app, right? TikTok is a great platform to make money online as long as you treat it as a business. I know it can be fun and a time waster at times, but it also can be a very lucrative platform. It all depends how you use it. All right, so there you have it. This is how to make money on TikTok. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing on for how to make money on TikTok. All links in the description, and there will be a link in the description directly to my website to learn a little bit more about making money on TikTok. And do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Boo.
Oh, teddy bear. Give me a hug. Oh, I gave the teddy bear. I love teddy bear. Take it out of my bag.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.